Hey guys, I'm going to be singing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele because I love this song. So if you love it, like it, and comment and request. Let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and now it's over, until you kiss my lips and you say me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees will fall too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say that were never true, and the games you played, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I can say that, close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. And the things you'd say that were never true, and the games you played, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, I burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. And I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the place. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that it was the last time, Sometimes I wake up by the door, that all you call must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself, I'm looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. And I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the place. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that it was the last time, Alright guys, so comment if you love it, like it, and request, and do all that other stuff you already know. Okay.